Hey everybody, Adam Savage
And Norm here.
in my cave. Norm, what is this?
Well, it's the Morgul blade.
This is a Morgul blade. This is I think it's museum replicas. It's actually one of my favorite sword replicas of any sword replica. And I have it here because when we first went to Weta, we're standing on the front steps waiting for someone to come let us in, and this big Moori guy comes over and he's holding on to a Morgul blade. He's trying to take a selfie with it. And I'm like, Norm, help the guy take a selfie. And it turns out it's Shane Runge, who says to us after we take a selfie, oh yeah, this is the knife I stabbed Frodo with.
He was the performance actor in the costume for that
The Weathertop battle, and he stabbed Elijah Wood. That began our current long-term friendship with Weta and everybody. If Shane ended up being our stunt coordinator on the Farewell to Arms. And the reason we have this here is because we have the Witch King's helmet, and underneath it, we have Sauron's helmet. Tell me about these replicas. Are made by Pure Arts.
Yeah, so they're a collectibles company, and I think it's always interesting. We follow collectibles all the time. We go to a place like Comic-Con. I'm looking at who has an official license to make a costume, a statue, and when these companies work with the rights holders, they pitch, well, we want to create the line of big statues. We want to create a line of helmets. This company has the rights to do what they call art masks.
Art masks.
Art masks.
Now, that strikes me as one of those sort of nomenclature terms that allows them to make a piece of costume without calling it a costume.
And certainly I think people use it that way, just like, you know, our friends at Regal Robot, they have the decor license, but they could, statues are decor. Here, art masks, and of course it's a Lord of the Rings license. This is their Witch King. I saw this at Comic-Con in San Diego a year ago.
Yeah.
And it was gorgeous.
Is it really?
And that was admittedly, you know, I think a pre-production prototype. So I'm very curious. They sent this over for us to check out what the actual ones look like. And there is a bit of it that I have not told Adam about. So hopefully you'll appreciate what I saw at Comic-Con.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's another one of these styrofoam with Velcro. This is definitely that off-gassing smell is so good. There we go.
The motherland.
What's that?
It's the motherland.
The motherland?
That's what I always say when I saw the factory smell.
Oh, yes. All right, so there's that.
All right.
And there's that.
Shall we lay it down first?
Sure. Boy, I hope we got the front. Nope. Oh, wait a second.
Assembly, some
Some
assembly probably
assembly
required.
required. Okay. So we've got a base here. Oh my God, the base is Orthanc. Holy cow!
It's the base. I think the base is the thing I didn't tell you about.
What the mope? What?
They've done. I think they've really prided themselves on the bases for these masks.
Look at the detail on this. That's the walkway you see the 9 leaving Orthanc to go look for the hobbits. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
That is incredible. This is the display base. Sorry, I don't mean to yell, but I'm kind of shocked. All right, well, that's the rod that goes in the display base, clearly. Wait, it's got a soft top and a hard bottom, so we'll do that. Okay, then we've got even more, wow, really cool ancillary things.
Here's probably the main mask.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So I see. Wow, it's all integral, isn't it? Yeah, it totally is. So this sits here, and there's a receiving hole. There we go. And I know, pointing a blade towards an expensive thing. It's crazy for me to do it that way. Okay.
So what's interesting about their license is I think they've done some other masks in the past. They have like a Robert Patrick T1000, all full metallic. And that one's like a more like, you know, his likeness as a character. But I think their mask license means that it's just the front. They don't necessarily need to do a full covering. And so for this, it makes sense because it's just cloth.
Right.
For the back.
but it hides your face, and you can see into it. And then we've got the last bit here. And
then there should be a bunch of 8 spikes that go around the edge. So let's look for those.
Oh, here they are. Okay. Okay, spike, spike, spike. All right. Oh, deliver me from packing tape. There's 2. Oh, no. There we go. There's 2.
Adam, are you thinking about seeing if you can wear this?
You know, given that I already have one of the costumes that I had built by Crop Circle way back when, one of our early Comic-Cons.
First Comic-Con incognitos was you as a Nazgul.
And does it go up or down? Put that in. Look at that. That's brilliant. Dude, that is such a great solution for what is a really difficult problem. This just magnetizes in there, sits here. These spikes all sit. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it comes with a specific gargoyle that doesn't look too dissimilar from an armored Balrog almost.
Wow. I can't get enough of this base.
Dude, that is insane. And this is the small helmet.
That's not all. We started with the
wait,
small one.
Don't order until you see this.
Has been here, which has been here the whole time, is the other one.
This is Sauron's helmet. And if you remember, Sauron is actually bigger than normal humans or, oh my gosh. Yep. You know what,
let's do it the right way. Yeah.
Air pressure. Yep, there we go.
There it goes.
I gotta tell you, I'm amazed that at the fidelity here. These look like filming ready props to me.
A lot of that's that sculpt and making things look like an otherworldly metal.
Oh man.
Oh my
Look
God.
at the size of this thing.
Oh.
All right, so it is a different castle. Holy cow.
It's the eye.
What? Oh my gosh. So it actually, is it this? I'm getting my Lord of the Rings mixed up. Could I be wrong about this being Orthanc? I could, couldn't I?
I'm not
Hey,
sure.
I'm sure the subtitles will correct me. Let's see here. Oh my God, the eye! Hold on,
And there are lights inside.
I was gonna say!
There are lights. It does illuminate.
Yep, we need 3 AA batteries. Okay. They should be in.
I will grab those.
No, I know exactly where they are. They're in the battery compartment.
Yep.
You'll see they're in 4 packs.
Okay.
I've got the card here for this. Okay, so, yes. Yes, so that sits there. Okay. Yes. And then, oh, wow. It is monolithic. It's one piece. That is quite literally insane. Oh my. Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, let's get
Before
the
we put
batteries
this
in.
on. Okay, hold on. Gonna turn this over and lift that up. Oh no. Boss.
Great.
And is there a light switch somewhere?
And there is a button.
Ah, I see it.
You got it?
I do. Oh my gosh! Sorry, I keep yelling. I am like so freaking thrilled by this. I can barely stand it. And again, actually, this is just the
Yeah, yeah.
front piece of the helmet, but what an insane and magnificent display piece. And you can, oh wow, you can look through it and see the eye of Sauron through the eye of Sauron.
Well done.
Well done, everybody. I just want to burst into a round of applause.
That's gorgeous.
It really is. And look at the finery. They've had this vacuum metallized and then pulled it and weathered it back. But it ends up, I mean, Celebrimbor and Sauron made this armor, right? And it shows the mark of a master armor, but also the weathering of battle of this monster. The close-up detail on this to the eye is really, really quite spectacular. Dude, oh my God. I had no idea. I mean, I did have some idea that this was coming, but I had no idea it would look remotely this gorgeous.
Look,
it's got lava flowing out the front. The lava is
a little bit of uplighting. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Mordor's a nice neighborhood. You got the uplighting on the houses.
Well, it's Halloween. That is totally amazing. I am super, super, super blown away.
Truly lovely. And what an interesting use of a license to think of. You know, we've seen Lord of the Rings collectibles for over 20 years now. Everyone's done their own thing, you know, whether it's a replica blade or a figurine, a statue, or jewelry. And for them to then come in and say, we're going to make art mass and have beautiful display pieces, which I think you could probably still wear and modify.
They are heavy as hell.
Yeah.
This is going to be a. Let me try and put this on. I do want to try. Oh, what will you grab the?
Got it.
There we go. Let me just see if I can. Yeah, that's going to happen. Here, got that on there. And let's see here. Oh.
Yep.
Thank you. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, I can't see a thing. Wait, you can probably see my ginger beard through this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is it lovely?
It's a perfect way to end this video.
Thanks, you guys. You'll hear me coming.